In a city that eats people alive, two brothers had nothing but each other.
Stabilizers and energy cores.
And for a while, that was enough.
So, grades?
Holding B+ average. I'm telling you, get the stabilizer right, the whole thing changed.
You boy steady eats people alone.
And every night that family sat together at a table and didn't know it was the last time.
One day, everybody's gonna know my name.
James Carter built the future in a warehouse nobody was supposed to find.
James, pick up the phone right now!
He knew before he even got there. Brothers always do.
What's up, James?
The future had a price, and somebody was already willing to pay it.
Any last words for that brother of yours?
Tell Jaylee, I'm sorry.
Put his picture on the news, Jalen. My baby's face. On the news.
They took the only thing he had left. D-Ice did it himself.
That ring is called a gauntlet. It belongs to you now. Make him pay. Make him remember our name, but come home to Ma.
I got you, big bro.
Grief didn't break him. It forged him.
You are gonna see this drive, whether you like it or not.
Justice. An alliance. One kid with nothing to lose. One detective with nothing left to prove. Come out, come out.
They came for the evidence. They came for the truth. And they came for the man who killed his brother.
You don't get to take anybody else.
When you finally figure out how to hurt me for real, come find me.
I will, Stody.
The Untouchable Kid.